welcome back to my channel. Today it's Wednesday at walang masyadong ganap work. Today, I'm going to work today. Kaya baka hindi ako masyadong makapag-vlog. And this is my room. Abubot ko. And a glass of water before sleeping. I cannot sleep without any glass or bottle of water beside me. So there it is. Then some my stuffed toy, my bed, it's blue. Then the box that I'm gonna send it to the Philippines. Then my what's do you call that? A dresser. Yeah, it's a dresser. It's a plastic dresser. And my bag going to work, and my laundry bag. And and thank you to Miss Nikki and Mr. Raymond for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys. Ayan, papasok na tayo guys. Sara natin yung gate, yung apartments. So, mainit. Kanina umuulan. So, kailangan ko nang bumili ng monopod. Nasa selfie stick kayo guys. So, I think the last time na nag-vlog ako, napapasok na ako, nabura ata yung vlog na yun. So, ayan, vlogging time bago pumasok. Tinitignan ako ni Kuya. Nahiya tuloy ako. Who cares? Yan, lakad-lakad. Naglalakad lang ako papunta sa sakayan. Mag-streetcar tayo. I'm gonna show the streetcar to you later, guys. Init. Naghintay na tayo ng streetcar. Ang layo pa niya, tapos ang init. Dito ako naghintay ng streetcar. Tapos, yan yung runway or path ng streetcar. And the background is the downtown New Orleans. Init. Nagpapawisan yung taas ng bibig ko. Dapat nakabababa kaso nakita kong 50%. No, if buy one get one 50% off sa payment. Yeah, we're waiting for the streetcar and there's Ricky. Say hi to my vlog, Ricky. Where's the streetcar? Is that? No, yeah, it's but it's just it's bright, so bright.
It's not too bright. It's very nice.
Like no, that's I cannot see the streetcar in here. Nandito na ako sa bahay. Though, kanina pa, nagkumain lang ako ng dinner, then nagwash ng face, then change outfit. Ganun lang ganap. Anyways guys, sabi ng kapatid ko, I don't have any viewers. Aww. I have a good news. I know how to put music on my vlog. So, yan. Mag-edit na lang ako ng video. And matutulog na ako. And it's already 12:53. So good night, guys. Please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Good night.